life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No.
Hey lovely ladies, and welcome back to another lovely video. Hi, my name is Audri Loveberry. If you are new, I do nail videos, vlogs, lifestyle videos, and hair videos will be included in the lifestyle. So if you are interested and you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing. It is free 99. So on today's video, we are going to be trying out the Aurora nails. We have the short almond length here. Actually, these are medium. No, excuse me, these are short. So we're going to be using this soft pink as a base, not a base coat, but as a base. And then we're going to use this beautiful color here, Mama Shine, from the May collection of Pastel Haven is the collection. And we are going to attempt these nails. So if you are interested on how they come out, continue to watch.
Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine.
All I'm really asking for is you.
You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine.
Long as you know who you belong to.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. It's all good, it's all good. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You want I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You play me.
Okay, y'all, so right here I'm testing out the gel polish, putting a little dot and seeing how it would look spread it out. Again, this is my first time doing it this way. There's other ways to do it. I did get some foam pads. I believe that's what they're called. Let me see, those right here. Yeah, foam wedges to try it this way. But here I'm just putting a dot and trying to spread it out so it's
Ride around the track, ride around the my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this. You ever feel so bad that I feel it in my chest at night. I want it. I want it. Yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
And we're back.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sitting right next to you. I try not to show how
Alrighty, lovely ladies, this is going to be the end of the video. This is how my nails turned out. I would like to call them 3D Neon Aurora nails. Thank you for watching. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I hope you hit that subscribe button and join the lovely ladies. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my